So got a flat tappet cam that I brought, Street Performer or something like that, aluminum cylinder heads, ARP bolts, high performance water pump, gasket kit, and timing set. So definitely got some parts. Still got more parts to go, but yeah, this is the point where, you know, I have to decide, do I buy once, cry once? Oh, and also this will no longer be carbureted. It will be EFI, and I've teamed up with a very special brand that I can't wait until the parts come and I will show you. But it's gonna be EFI, which is that much better. So it's just like, do I go all out and just, like I said, buy once, cry once? I don't know. But let me show you the setup in the truck. All right. So we got the engine. If you guys saw the pictures of whenever I got it, this engine fell over because of the semi tire that the guy that I got the engine from gave me. And I was in a rush to get out of there to get to work, and it ended up falling over on its side. So engine's tied down, everything is straight, like in the bores, it's all straight, feels smooth. I think there's one in the rear. I think this is the only one that I'm a little nervous about, and just a little bit, and that's why I'm like, man, do I really need to go 383? If I need to take some out of the cylinder for that cylinder, then yeah, 383 is definitely gonna be the move. But yeah, trying to figure that out. And we got the crank, cam, timing set, pistons, all in. So hurry up and finish strapping this down and be on my way.